We have an update from Chad. I mentioned this would happen, and now it has. The SEC has acknowledged the 1984 filing for the NASDAQ Crypto Index ETF. This means we now have applicants and institutions releasing their own crypto index ETFs, just like the stock market. These ETFs will include multiple cryptocurrencies in one basket. The current ETF includes Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, Chrono, Chainlink, Avalanche, Litecoin, Polygon, Uniswap, and Polkadot. Similar to Bitcoin and Ether ETFs, this provides another way to gain indirect exposure to cryptocurrencies, but with a broader range of assets. This is particularly significant for XRP, as institutions will need to buy XRP for their ETFs, which could drive up its price. Mr. Poole recently tweeted a picture of HSBC and Citi, followed by news that Citigroup has been implicated in money laundering according to U.S. law enforcement officials. It's noted that many banks engage in such practices, which is why they generate substantial profits. Additionally, Mr. Poole warned of a potential major stock market crash, a sentiment echoed by J.P. Morgan. A black swan event is anticipated, suggesting a massive crash followed by a reversal, potentially affecting global currencies including the USD. From 2019, Mr. Poole's notes predicted a crash, reversal, and reset, hinting at a cyclical pattern of parabolic pumps followed by crashes. Recently, Post Finance, a Swiss government-owned bank, introduced trading services for XRP, Solana, Cardano, Avalanche, and Polkadot, marking a significant regulatory approval for XRP. Moreover, Ripple partners Visa and PayPal have formed a strategic partnership to promote financial inclusion in the MENA region by providing digital and physical prepaid Visa cards, potentially reaching 850 million smartphone users. This initiative aims to democratize financial services and boost the digital economy. The introduction of EVM sidechains on the XRP ledger is another significant development. These sidechains will increase demand for XRP by making it available on multiple blockchains, leading to more activity and potentially higher prices for XRP. In the regulatory landscape, the SEC, led by Gary Gensler, continues to target crypto entities such as Uniswap, Kraken, and other DeFi projects. This ongoing crackdown could influence the upcoming elections, particularly if the current administration's stance on crypto affects voter sentiment. Rumors suggest that if Donald Trump wins the election, Dan Gallagher, the chief legal compliance officer at Robinhood Markets, could become the next SEC chair. This speculation follows the SEC's legal actions against Robinhood, possibly aimed at preventing Gallagher's appointment. XRP whales have been active, with 230 million XRP moved in the past 24 hours. This activity coincides with the nearing conclusion of the Ripple versus SEC lawsuit, sparking further speculation. Ripple has also retained 1.3 billion XRP after an escrow unlock, which could be used for settlement purposes in the lawsuit. Sue Al-Marayati, Ripple's chief legal officer, highlighted the Supreme Court's recent decision on Internet content, comparing the potential of crypto to the early days of the Internet. The Supreme Court noted that while only 40 million people used the Internet in 1997, today it is used by billions. The same widespread adoption is expected for digital assets like XRP. Ripple continues to lead in advancing digital asset regulations, with a dedicated team of legal and policy experts. Lauren Belive, head of U.S. public policy at Ripple, noted that conversations with regulators in the U.S. are more focused on political issues, whereas other countries are ahead in terms of business functionality and operations regarding digital assets. Thus, the U.S. has significant ground to cover in catching up with global digital asset adoption and regulations. If you haven't seen the latest news from the recent video, I recommend checking it out to stay up to date with the latest information.